Hello and welcome. Today isn't just a product launch, it's a statement about what the future of India's smartphone landscape should look like and how everyday tech in India should finally feel like. And to take you there, please welcome Madhav Sheth, CEO AI Plus Smartphone and the founder of Next Quantum Shift Technologies.
Hello everyone. Today, let me start with a reality we don't talk about enough. Even today in 2026, India has around 350 million feature phone users. That's a massive part of our country still operating on limited access to the digital economy. For us at AI Plus Smartphone, digital inclusion is no longer optional. It's infrastructure, and infrastructure needs builders, not bystanders. That belief is the core pillar on which AI Plus Smartphone was launched. Democratizing good, seamless tech so the move from the basic phones to the smartphones doesn't feel intimidating, expensive or complicated. That's exactly why we built Pulse and Nova 5G to deliver real value at accessible price points. Without cutting corners on what matters, we disrupted the sub 10,000 price points and the market with a promise people could actually feel. A dual camera experience, modern design and a more dependable day-to-day smartphone. And the proof is simple. Over 1 million users have chosen AI Plus smartphones. Pulse 1 was where it began. Pulse 2 is where you rise. It's not just an upgrade, it's an evolution. In 2026, your phone has to rise with you, without adding complexity, without asking for compromise. Pulse 2 raises the bar on everyday confidence, clearer capture, power that lasts, and an experience that stays smooth and dependable. This isn't a refresh, it's a stronger statement of what value should feel like in real life. And that's only one side of what's coming. Because the real flagship movement of AI Plus is the Nova 2 series. Nova 2 is where AI Plus steps into the front row. Nova isn't about just owning a phone, it's about owning your presence. Refined, powerful, precise, built for people whose lives are moving up and need a device that moves with them. Your ambitions are evolving, your phone should too. That's the Nova 2 series where the ambition meets brilliance. Advanced camera, elevated designs, every frame deserves an impact. And it's not one phone, it's a full lineup. Nova 2, Nova 2 Neo, Nova 2 Pro, Nova 2 Ultra and Nova Flip. So today is about more than launches, it's about direction. Today is about building the AI Plus smartphone 4G ecosystem.
Because real ecosystems need a common intelligence layer. One tap, everything connected. Your watch, your audio, your phone, speaking the same language. Not just pairing, true continuity, one ecosystem, one experience.
Where your smart gadgets don't sit in silos. They work together seamlessly to make the upgrades feel natural and to make digital access feel less like a leap and more like a smooth step forward. This step forward is what we like to call add a plus. Because for us, a plus isn't a spec, it's an outcome. It's the difference between having a device and having confidence. Confidence that you can connect, pay, learn, create, and stay safe without friction or fear. Add a plus is how we close the digital gap, not by pushing more gadgets, but by building tech that makes the upgrade feel natural. More control, less complexity, seamless connectedness. So whether you are in a metro or a small town, whether you are moving from 2G or upgrading from your first smartphone, AI Plus Smartphone is built to meet you where you are and move you forward. That's the philosophy behind Pulse and Nova 5G, and that's the foundation for what comes next.
Today is not just about good ratings on Flipkart, it's about validation of our vision. In a market flooded with specifications and marketing noise, customers choose AI Plus not just for hardware
but for experience. They choose intelligence over gimmicks, simplicity over clutter, privacy over compromise, and design with purpose. These ratings are not numbers, they are trust. Trust in Next Quantum OS, trust in our connected ecosystem, trust in all India built intelligence layer crafted with intention. Every detail from seamless ecosystem pairing to a clean, purposeful interface was designed to respect the user. And when customers respond with strong ratings, it tells us we are not merely shipping smartphones, we are building belief. This is only the beginning. The real journey of AI Plus has just begun. But before we get into Pulse 2, let's look back for a second. When we launched AI Plus Pulse 1 and Nova 5G, it wasn't just a phone. It was beginning of a design language, bold, expressive, slightly experimental. The camera module stood proud, the surfaces carried contrast, and the colors felt vibrant and youthful. It was a clear statement AI Plus had arrived. With Pulse 2, we didn't just redesign, we refined. The geometry is cleaner, the transitions are smoother, the camera housing integrates more seamlessly into the body. Every edge feels more intentional, more mature, and the palette has evolved from energetic tones to a more premium finish. Green, pink, black, blue, and purple. Calmer, more sophisticated, more timeless. And that redefined and refined design is backed by a real upgrade in experience. Pulse 1 set the benchmark with a 6.745-inch HD Plus display, 90Hz refresh rate, a 50 megapixel dual camera, and a dependable 5000 mAh battery. That's performance, style, and value in one package. Pulse 2 takes everything further. A smoother 120Hz refresh rate for an ultra fluid scrolling, a massive jump from a 5000 mAh to 6000 mAh battery power, built to last through streaming, gaming, commutes, and long days without you watching the percentage drop. And despite the bigger battery, is engineered to stay sleek, the slimmest 6000 mAh in the segment. You also get an upgraded 8 megapixel front camera for sharper selfies. Android 16 on Next Quantum OS for a smoother, more dependable experience with an IP64 durability, with a stronger chipset which is built to perform. And on charging in the box, you get a 10-watt charger to get you started, but Pulse 2 supports 18-watt fast charging as well, which you can buy from any of our website. Pulse 1 was solid. Pulse 2 is the experience upgraded. Sleek design, stronger foundation, and smarter, long-lasting, everyday confidence. Pulse 2, which is based on Android 16, powered by Google Gemini, transforms intelligence from a feature into a living, contextual companion, seamless woven into every interaction. Google's multimodal AI model, which is designed to understand and generate text, images, audio, video, and code within a single unified system. It powers intelligent assistants across our AI Plus smartphones and ecosystem, enabling contextual reasoning, real-time task execution, coding support, and seamless integration with apps and services. Built for scale, Gemini combines advanced reasoning with on-device and cloud AI to deliver fast, secure, and personalized experiences. Today, we are not unveiling just another interface, we are also introducing a new philosophy of interaction. For years, smartphones have evolved in specs, speed, and cameras, but the experience often remained fragmented. Apps felt separate, devices felt disconnected, systems reacted but rarely felt unified. Next Quantum OS changes that. Built on a clean stack of stock Android foundation, it is refined, deeply integrated system layer designed to feel ambient, fluid, and intuitive. It reduces friction instead of adding complexity. It works quietly in the background, intelligently supporting every interaction. More importantly, Next Quantum OS is the orchestration engine of our AI Plus connected ecosystem, seamlessly linking smartphones, wearables, and the entire ecosystem. Engineered with privacy, performance, and modular architecture at its core, it reflects an India-first mindset built to global standards, scalable, responsible, and future-ready. Next Quantum OS is not about adding more,
It's about refining the core from fragmented tools to an unified experience. Upcoming versions of Next Quantum OS will introduce deeper ecosystems integration, refined performance architecture, and an evolution of a NextQ design system, delivering a more cohesive, fluid, and emotionally resonant user experience across devices. Next Quantum OS design system is not just an UI library, it is a living intelligence framework. We did not design screens, we designed behavior. We did not create isolated components, we built principles that scale across devices, context, and time, rooted in clarity, modularity, and emotional precision. Every spacing rule, motion curve, and interaction state is intentional. It reduces cognitive load, respects user attention, and adapts without visual noise. From smartphones to wearables, from ambient features like Next Hello to system level intelligence. Everything speaks one cohesive language, consistent, human, and purposeful. This is not decoration, this is orchestration. Next Quantum OS design system is the foundation for how intelligence feels and how the future operates. At the core is the Next Quantum OS built for smoothness that lasts, not speed that spikes, and built for sovereignty. What does that mean? It means your data stays in India, proudly stored on the world-class cloud infrastructure on Google servers within the country. This isn't just Android, this is Android refined, less clutter with more controls. That's what democratization looks like when people vote with their pockets and stay with the experience. Today we go further, and yes, welcome to the future, welcome to the Next Quantum OS. For us, a plus isn't a spec, it's an outcome. And outcomes start with trust. With the Next Privacy Dashboard, you can see exactly who's accessing what in real time. No hidden permissions, no silent tracking. Your data stays safe in India. And because outcomes also mean listening, you asked, we listen. Your voice shaped this enhanced, reimagined experience. Now with a smarter, sharper front camera that delivers clearer selfies where it actually counts. Trust isn't a feature, it's a foundation for the Next Privacy Dashboard. Next Privacy Dashboard is a centralized real-time control center that gives users complete visibility and command over their data, permissions, and device activity. Designed with clarity and precision, it transforms privacy from hidden settings into an intuitive, transparent experiences, empowering users to see, understand, and control how their information is accessed, shared, and protected. Upcoming enhancements of Next Privacy Dashboard will introduce deeper real-time transparency, smarter permission insights, granular device-level controls, and predictive privacy alerts, giving users even stronger proactive command over the digital footprint. And we rebuild the essentials: cleaner calls, smarter messages, simpler notes. The basics should be felt brilliant. Every animation, every curve, every color is intentional, premium without being loud. When we started building Next Quantum, we didn't just want to launch another smartphone. We wanted to build stronger, something bigger than a product. We wanted to build belonging. Next Quantum community is that belief brought to life. It's space where users are not treated as consumers but as co-creators of the ecosystem. Where a student's wallpaper can become a global theme, where a developer's idea can shape the next OS update, where feedback isn't collected, it's respected. Technology should not feel distant, it should feel participative, human, and alive. And that is why Next Quantum community exists, to ensure that innovation doesn't happen in isolation but in collaboration. Because the future of AI Plus is not just intelligent, it's collective. And this community is the soul of everything we are building. AI Plus Insiders community is where the nation comes together. It's a space for fans to connect, discuss, and celebrate everything at AI Plus. From our latest products to cutting edge features. Share your feedback, offer suggestions, and be the first to receive exclusive updates. Dive into beta testing, participate in exciting giveaways, and join community events that bring our ecosystem to life. For our insiders, we go a step further. The official Student Ambassador program empowers students to explore, create, and co-work with AI Plus devices, shaping the future of the brand while gaining hands-on experiences. Insiders also get priority access to giveaways, events, and opportunities that make being part of AI Plus more than just a membership, it's a movement. So join us, connect, create, and celebrate. Be part of the AI Plus experience. Now, before we end, we have another surprise for you. As we step into the cricket season, a time that unites every corner of India, AI Plus Smartphone is bringing the excitement closer to you. We are hosting major community meetups with leading Indian cricketers exclusively for our AI Plus insiders and community members. And for every Pulse 2 winner, this is more than just a smartphone. It's a chance to meet one of India's most celebrated cricket stars. Exciting giveaways, unforgettable moments, and once-in-a-lifetime experience awaits. Stay connected to our community handles because this season you don't want to miss a single update. Let me bring it home now to what I am sure you are all excited to know, which is pricing. At a time when prices are rising everywhere, we made a decision to think about India first. At AI Plus, we believe in clear, honest pricing, no hidden conditions, no asterisks, no surprises, just clean pricing. And this is not just an offer, it's a promise. AI Plus Pulse comes in two different variants, 464 and 6128. And it comes in a price which you will never ever see it again. We guarantee it. So mark your calendars for the biggest sale of India on 11th of March at 12 noon. Grab your Pulse 2 exclusively on Flipkart, Flipkart Minutes and Shopsy. For joining us again today. We'll see you very soon again for Nova Series launch.
This is AI Plus. Trust made tangible. Style with substance. Tech that gives back. Join the AI Plus movement. And thank you very much for today.